Yes. And that means they are fully aware of this money's plan. They are fully aware. Whatever they would have by the time I came already.
Well, this morning we got information around 6 a.m. that some members were in the chambers of the House of Assembly. So some of us tried to come, but we were stopped by police. They asked you at the gate your identity, and they stopped us from coming. But before we got into the chamber, we discovered that 8 members were sitting, and we got to know that on their own they said they had impeached the speaker, contrary to the House rules and contrary to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Okay, sir. Who do you know who the new speaker is, sir?
I don't know. Our speaker is Mbognu Ayuwa. We don't have any new speaker in the House of Assembly.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Illegal.
Members of the Plateau State House of Assembly, this morning, 8 o'clock, we were at the chamber to sit and legislate over the affairs of the people of Plateau State. In the process of our engagement, having established enough reasons to do what we've done today, the House, by a two-third majority, impeached the former Speaker of the Plateau State House of Assembly in the person of Right Honorable Abok Ayuba Nuhu. And by unanimous decision, a new speaker has emerged and was duly sworn in today. It has been the convention and tradition that after the House elects their new leadership, it is only right for them to come to the seat of power, to the governor, to officially introduce him.
Our position has been that they are autonomous. Whatever thing that happens in the House is the business of the House. And the executive arm of government is a mere collaborator because it's one government under the leadership of His Excellency Right Honorable Dr. Simon Bako Lalong. And because of the fate of this engagement with you, I want to assure you that our hands are open, our doors are open to you for us to work for the good of Plateau State, to promote the ideals for which this government stands for. As the gatekeeper of the executive arm, I will apparently lead you to His Excellency to formally see him, to formally present yourself to him, so that other details you will get to hear from him.
The members of the State House of Assembly, both the PDP and the APC, were present on the floor of the House of Assembly. If you want me to mention names, I will mention those names, and it is on tape that they were there. So we have 16 members sign. The constitutions made it very clear that the 2/3 of the members of the House of Assembly signed for the impeachment of the Speaker. And we got the number. And we duly submitted the number to the clerk of the House of Assembly for confirmation. It is when the clerk of the House of Assembly confirmed the list that he authorized for the change of power. And that has been duly done. Before the chamber, the new speaker was sworn in. There was a little drama, but of course that is usual with the tradition of legislation.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.